Maybe you can get him now.
Oh, you juked him.
You're exhausted, Seamus, and he's still ready to run.
Well, he was in boarding all last week because we were away.
Oh.
And so this week we haven't had him play with dogs because of the weather. So
Right.
he's got all this energy.
We were here earlier today.
Oh, okay.
But this one is getting spoiled by getting a walk twice. But nobody was here this morning, so he only walked with me.
Oh,
So
okay.
then he jumped in the pond. I had to go home and rinse him off, and that's...
Seamus, no.
No, Shamey.
Yeah, Rufus doesn't swim, so
Oh.
which I guess is a good thing, but
Yes, it is, because, you know, the water's dirty.
yeah.
Seamus, be nice. Seamus.
Tackle.
What'd you just say?
You tackled him.
He's usually very submissive, Seamus.
Seamus is beautiful. What is it? A
He's
white?
an English retriever, yes.
Oh, English retriever. Okay. He's beautiful.
Shamey. Shamey.
I grew up with a golden,
Uh-huh.
and they're just great.
Yeah, you know, we had, for 18 years, we had a Maltese. And then for 5 or 6 years before that, we had another Maltese, so we've never had a big dog. So we went from about a 10-pounder to 60.
Okay, yeah,
But
that's a
this
big
one-
difference.
Yeah,
But
Dad
this
wanted a
one's less
present.
work.
Yeah, really?
Really, less work. He got trained right away.
Oh,
I
good.
never had an accident in the house. The only thing is that he still, when he gets bored, he chews a shoe.
Oh,
This is a new thing.
is it? How old is Seamus?
He just turned a year last week.
Oh, okay, so he's still got that.
Oh, I can't
Puppy
stand it. A
thing.
brand new shoe. I only wore one.
Oh no. Rufus went through the shoe thing, and then he loves terry cloth,
Oh,
so, or down comforter.
ooh.
Yeah, so but he still likes, he's going to be 2 in August, he still likes the terry cloth.
Oh,
But they play really well
they
together.
do. I don't want to walk in front of that, Jared.
It's like, tag, you're it. He
Shamey,
literally just
be
tagged him.
nice. Shamey, close your mouth. Seamus walks every day with his, my girlfriend and I walk every day, and his... she has
Rufus!
a-
Rufus! Rufus!
Here he goes to the water.
Rufus!
Seamus,
Oh no.
come here. Come. See, my girlfriend has a black flat coat. Loves water. Am I getting recorded here?
No.
He,
They probably can hear you though.
all right, why don't you move a bit further? And he, hers loves...
Hi.
Hers loves the water.
He loves the cloth.
Black coat loves water.
I
And we
don't
walk
know.
every day. He looks kind of like a retriever.
Oh.
And, but he's black, so the two of them is black and white. And
Oh, okay.
so, she was
Oh, no.
yes. And,
Yeah.
but hers will go a little deeper, because this one only gets his legs in.
Okay.
But still, it's dirty. Then
Yeah.
Then he walks and he gets all mud.
Yeah, because
Bum ba da bum 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 ba da bum 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 ba da bum 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 ba da bum.
He just stuck on his head. That's all right.
They really play well. That's
They do.
great. Sometimes he gets beat up really bad.
Oh, and I was just the woman that helped me train him.
By
was
Rufus!
here.
Rufus! I'm sorry, I don't
That's
want
okay.
to get his neck.
No, they're playing fine together. It took me a long time to figure this out, because my Maltese never came out and did any of this. It was a house dog, and so the first time I brought this one, and a couple of dogs had him on his back, and they were at his
I
neck. And
know.
I thought, oh my god.
Yeah.
My girlfriend was like, I'm fine, don't worry about it. And I thought, really?
Well,
This is bad behavior.
yeah, stuff
But-
like that. I mean, that's like gentle play,
Yeah.
but we got, it was last summer, and I always have him on leash, and there was a dominant thing going on, and 2 larger male dogs really went at him, and I got bit. It was a mess.
Oh my
So, yeah, I'm a little...
Hi, smile for the camera.
You know.
I don't blame you.
Hi.
I don't blame you.
I'm Jean Marie, by the
And
way.
I'm Marie Rothbard.
Marie,
Nice to meet
nice
you.
to meet you. Sorry,
Oh,
bugs
that's
flap
too
around
bad
me.
that you got bit though.
Yeah.
Did they break the skin?
Yeah, it was and it's normally a really friendly dog, but there was a dog.
Hi there.
thing going on.
So I think that's really what happened. Now this one, ours is so fun. He rolls around just like he did with yours with his friend Bowie.
Oh,
And
okay.
they come every day together.
Yeah.
That we can, sometimes twice a day.
Yeah.
Jared, honey, don't do that. And he plays really well. He never has gone after another.
Seamus.
I guess it's, you know.
I've had dogs go.
Yeah.
High five.
Today I
Oh,
was
I know which. I know. I think I know which one. Yeah. Is it the dog walker that's walking?
I don't know, but there's a dog walker today who
Yeah.
was walking 6 dogs. And one dog was a small little white dog that was in between their sizes. And he went after him. And, you know,
Hi there.
You know what? Rufus.
This dog here is pretty aggressive. Not aggressive, but this big floppy dog that's in front of her,
Yeah.
he'll probably overtake him.
Seamus, no.
I gotta go walk with him.
He's gonna start.
He's gonna start. Nice to meet you too. Rufus, want a treat? Here, Jerry, give his mother a treat. Rufus, Jerry, Seamus, come.
Here, it's kind of a big treat, but
It's as big as him.
Rufus.
It's as big as him.
Rufus, come on, buddy.
Treat, treat. Seamus, treat.
Rufus, Rufus. Thank you.
if Rufus goes, Seamus goes.
I know. And he's got
Seamus, come on now.
Rufus,
Come on.
There's one of them, a shaggy dog that's
come here, buddy. Want a treat?
No, no, no.
He is, if it's the same
Hi
one,
there.
he was all over us the other
Treat,
day.
treat.
Here he comes.
Rufus.
Rufus, Rufus, treat, treat.
Rufus, here. Rufus. Rufus.
Seamus heard that.
Rufus,
Want
here.
a treat?
Rufus.
You can have a treat.
We have two more left.
Okay. All right, hold on to him until she gets Rufus. Seamus, stay. Hold on for a minute.
Bum ba da bum 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 ba da bum 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 ba da bum 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 ba da bum.
Here comes Rufus. Rufus!
Seamus, look, yum yum. Or something. No, that's yuck.
Here he comes.
It's kind of surprising the zoom isn't that great on this. It's great quality, but horrible zoom.
Go get him.
Epic fail.
Mm-hmm.
Was that ours she just gave?
Yes.
Wow.
Thanks, Seamus. Let's go.
Looks like she needs some information. Seamus, no!
Seamus, this way.
Here, hold this.
That's all right.
Point at him.
Just Shammy? Seamus. Oh, Jared.
Well, nice talking
Nice to see you.
to you.
Okay, take
Hopefully
care.
we'll see you
Enjoy.
soon.
Okay, enjoy your walk.